Taking a look at this really nice carry knife from Civivi. Comes in a nylon pouch, sort of a fur lining. Got the knife, of course. We've got a 10th year anniversary sticker from Civivi. A cool knife sticker, a logo sticker, warranty information. There's a catalog here as well, and a microfiber towel for cleaning and maintenance. And then the knife itself, this is the Elementum with the black grip and black blade. The Civivis have a very smooth ceramic bearing opening. This one uses a flipper, so it opens very quickly. It has the tip up carry, and you can put a lanyard here. This has a button lock, so it's super easy to close with either hand. Really nice knife. I've been carrying one very much like this for quite a while now, and I'm liking the stonewashed look and the overall black color to this one. I might switch out to this one. Hope this helps.